So what I have here is a Glock 19. I know everybody's got a Glock 19. We've all seen your Glock 19, bro. However, this particular gun, it's a Gen 3, so I've had it a long time, carried it in just about every kind of a situation you can imagine, and it rides in my truck every day. It rides on the four-wheeler when we go out. I mean, this thing, it's been well used. Had a trigger job done on it, just some polishing and that sort of thing, a little more than what I had done. Really didn't make much of a difference, you know, and that's okay. But the biggest improvement that I've made on it, other than the sights that I replaced, was this Radian Raptor Afterburner, I believe. It is a compensator that attaches to the barrel. You've probably already seen all of the specs and that sort of thing. All I was wanting to say is I bought this one used. It's hardened 416R stainless, both the barrel and the compensator. It doesn't look like it was used hardly at all. There's very little to no carbon buildup in the compensator, but it does help follow up shots a bit more than I had anticipated. So the compensator does work. The barrel is very accurate as I can be with the gun. And so if you have a Glock pistol, which everybody probably has one somewhere, and you find one of the Radians either on sale, possibly used, that sort of thing, or if you just have the coin to be able to do it, since us poors have to wait for the sales, then go ahead and buy one. It's a fantastic product. It's machined very well. The tolerances are, I mean, just crazy, crazy tight. And so anyway, thank you guys there at Radian for making such a great product and standing behind it, even though I'm not the original purchaser. This is Info Not Wars. Please subscribe if you have an opportunity. Thanks for watching.